Alright, so we got Justin Timberlake once again. Shout out to Justin. Senorita is one of my favorite songs. And Tinker Hatfield, the man behind the Air Jordan 3. And then we have the Beige, Justin Timberlake, Tinker Air Jordan 3. What's that about? What's up guys, Fresco VK here, live again at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. But today I have a pretty dope unboxing look today at the Justin Timberlake Jordan 3 Beige. So this shoe has yet to be released, but of course we got it here at Stadium. So if you look to my immediate left, we have the first colorway to release during the Super Bowl last year. And to my immediate right, we have the second colorway that released. It's the Tinker Hatfield / Justin Timberlake Air Jordan 3. So we have the third installment, which is the Justin Timberlake Tinker Hatfield Air Jordan 3 Beige. So here we have the Air Jordan 3 Beige, box top here. And this is inspired by Justin's 5th solo album, Man of the Woods. And we have the forest kind of theme on the box top. We have the Jumpman logo there. We have this logo right here, which I'm not sure what that is, but you guys let me know in the comments. And of course the orange hits throughout the box. But let's get to these shoes. Wrapping inside, also forest themed, as we see here with the green forest look throughout. But let's get to the shoes and let me know which one is you guys' favorite out of the three. After opening this box and looking at this color, these shoes are pretty dope. But we have the Air Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfield Justin Timberlake Beige. So as we get to the upper, it's like suede nubuck throughout the upper that you guys can see here, toe box area and throughout here. We have also the swoosh, which is also 3M. So this lights up as the light shines on it, 3M swoosh here. We have a leather hit right below the suede nubuck on the upper, and the neon yellow eyelets that you guys see right here. We have the elephant print, of course, which is famous to Jordan 3. As we get to the midsole, features a gray hit towards the heel area. We have the exposed air unit, and then like an kind of off-white colorway, no pun intended, of course. You'll see the higher right here, and this represents, I believe, one of the songs on the album. Maybe it's the 5th track, if I read that correctly. Once again, in the comments, let me know if I'm wrong. I'm willing to learn from you guys. But we have the higher hit right here on the inner panel, and also the elephant print hit here that runs throughout the back. And as we get to the tongue, fully tonal throughout, so it's like the vachetta tan kind of color. We got the Jumpman right there. We have the orange hit on the inner panel with the Tinker Hatfield. That's right behind the tongue of the left shoe. And as we're back here already, pull tab, we've got the Nike Air on the back area. This left foot also features an extra set of laces, orange laces, and these laces are also like a suede nubuck material, which you guys can see right there. And let's get to the insert, which I think is pretty cool. Take this out. And still, let me know what you guys think of all three. So the left foot reads, "Stress is cool." Right there on the insole of the left foot, stress is cool. Stress really is cool. So please don't stress me out. Like and share all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. But we're gonna go to the right shoe. You guys can see here, pretty much mirrors the left one, outside of the fact that, as I mentioned, in the tongue of the left foot, we have the Tinker Hatfield signature, and in the tongue of the right foot features the Justin Timberlake signature right there, that you guys can see there. We have an additional set of laces on the right foot, another set of beige, beige kind of laces that we got here. And as I take out this insert, this one reads, "Fame is a lie." So the right foot reads, "Fame is a lie." The left foot reads, "Stress is cruel." I know I just read that. Please forgive me, it slipped my memory that quick. But one last look at the outsole. I didn't get to the outsole yet. We have the orange hits right here at the forefoot. And in the heel, it's pretty much gray translucent throughout. Orange hit here, orange hit towards the heel in the back here with the Nike. And one last look at the Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfield Justin Timberlake Beige. right there. And we have these along with the colorway to my left and along with the colorway to my right, all available at Stadium Goods. Once again, we are located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Please visit stadiumgoods.com for any questions or inquiries that you guys may have about anything regarding Stadium Goods. Please do not forget to follow, like, share on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. Make sure you guys follow at Stadium Goods, and I am Fresco BK, and salute.